Hi guys, Dr. Zidian here again, and we are on our number 16 for the 27 rules to success. So number 16 is very important, and it says that successful people avoid devastating events. And we do that by making sure that we have things in place to protect ourselves from liabilities, such as insurance. You make sure that things are in place should something happen to you or anybody within your facility. The chiropractor, it's important that we always have our license updated or insurance updated, that the people that we hire, that they are responsible enough to stay updated, because we want to make sure that our business stays compliant at all times. You're compliant at all times. And that way you can focus more on helping people and using the skills that you went to school for. So it's very important when it comes to success is to make sure that the empire grows and not be depleted.
At Jer Skolman, follow now.